巴黎奥运世界舞台，一场跨越38年的对决，孙颖莎4比0战胜倪夏连，成功晋级。北京时间7月31号下午，在2024年巴黎奥运会的乒乓球女子单打赛场上，一场备受瞩目的对决悄然上演。中国选手孙颖莎对阵61岁的卢森堡华裔老将倪夏连。这场被誉为世界第一与世界唯一的比赛，不仅见证了技术的碰撞与体能的较量，更深刻地体现了体育精神的传承与薪火相传。孙颖莎这位年仅23岁的中国女子乒乓球运动员，无疑是当今世界乒坛的顶尖选手。其卓越的球技和稳定的心理素质，让她在赛场上所向披靡。她以4比0的比分战胜了倪夏连，再次证明了自己世界第一的实力。然而，在这场看似一边倒的比赛中，我们更看到了孙颖莎对前辈的尊重与学习，以及对体育精神的深刻理解。接下来，让我们进一步解读这一精彩赛事，带来更深入的了解。
Hello, Miss Wang. Thank you so much for talking to us. First, let's talk about 33rd Olympic Games period this year and the wonderful performance of the sporting events. First of all, I would like to share a video with you.
哇，差点打上了！这样，孙颖莎是4比0战胜了卢森堡的倪夏连，世界第一和世界唯一。在这一刻，其实也完成了某种程度上的薪火相。
We can also hear the narrator say a sentence. The world's first and world's only, at this moment has actually completed to some extent the completion of the torch. At the same time, this topic has been trending on social media, and many netizens have left many comments. I was touched by the comments, and I would like to share some of them with you here. The Olympic Games have shown me the limits of human beings and made me more determined to be brave and try the things I love. Our limits are far beyond our imagination. Beat her, I tell you. Beat me, I tell you. Ni Xialian, stuck in Shasha ear, said that we won. It is not difficult to see inheritance between these two table tennis players, just like the torch passed down I just mentioned. So, what do you think the important role of this inheritance for the development of sports in China? What are the implications for young athletes?
This kind of inheritance plays an immeasurable important role in the development of Chinese sports. Heritage is the word that connects the past with the future, passing on the spirit of athletes from generation to generation. This spirit of passing on the torch ensures the continuity and the stability of a sports course. By passing on valuable experience and skills from the old generation to the younger generation, we are able to maintain our leading position in international competitive sports. It not only helps young athletes to grow up technically and spiritually, but also paints a broader blueprint for the future of Chinese sports. At the same time, it is also the best interpretation of the Olympic spirit.
61-year-old Ni Xialian versus 23-year-old Sun Yingsha. Some netizens jokingly diss the ground child battle. It is really very special. Others say the world of the century, and others say the world first and only game in the world. Sun Yingsha learned her love and dedication to table tennis from Ni Xialian, and Ni Xialian saw the future and the hope of Chinese table tennis through Sun Yingsha's performance. At this moment, the father of Olympic Games, Ku Burton, said, "The important things in Olympic Games are not the victory, but the participation. The important things in life is not the triumphs, but struggle has more intuitive epitome.